Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta umuthi umwe mugeni wa biraru cia bururi hindi igongona ria kumugira uhoro ta munene wao kwa ihinda ria miaka 10 ya wathani wake na riria rikuhariirio kiharo-ini kia ulinzi guku Nairobi. Akihuthira igongona riri, mutongoria wa bururi niatugiririe maabitha biraru bururi-ini kuumana na itemi riria makoretwo manyitite makiria hindi ya wathani wake, akiuga thengia wao gutigirira mihaka ya bururi ni igitiritwo wega makoretwo manyitite itemi inene hari waki na ukuria wa bururi honge-ini itiganite.
Indeed, our multi-agency engagement and efforts ensured that the security of our country, but also the stability of our region. And indeed, the commitment of KDF and indeed all our security agencies to performing their duties within and beyond our borders has been priceless.
Agitugiria ukinyaniria wa kihiri gia tabarira iria itafanitio na maabitha biraru bururi-ini, President Kenyatta gwetete ukuria wa kiganda kia nyama gia KMC, weruhia wa riria kuuma Naivasha guthie nginya Kisumu, waki wa yadi ya guthondeka meri bururi-ini hamwe na ingi akiuga inyitite itemi inene hari gukinyaniria ukuria bururi-ini.
I appreciate the support and participation that KDF has rendered not just in the security sector but also in our national development. We cannot underscore the incredible role that you have had in rehabilitating key infrastructure across the country that had been once upon a time left dilapidated.
Ni kuumana na undu uyu mutongoria wa bururi ahinyiriirie gitumi gia kuigithia na kunyitirira ruhonge rwa biraru bururi-ini na njira nene, akiuga ari na ume gutiga ugitiri wa bururi moko-ini mega kuumana na gikiro kia biraru cia bururi, makiria kuuma ugi matharaita na hinya uria mahetwo ni thirikari.
Investing in the capabilities of the security agenda and agencies was critical to my agenda. The modernized capabilities and the infrastructure, setting up strategic locations around the country, ensured the security forces effectively undertook their constitutional mandate.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta atanyitwo kuneana matamu ma wathani wa bururi muthenya wa keri kiumia giukite kuri munini wake Dagitari William Ruto, kurumirira guthira gwa itina riake ria wathani wa miaka 10 guku akiuria ruhonge ruru guthii nambere kunyitirira thirikari ya President Muthure William Ruto wona yukia wathani kiumia giukite.
So I salute each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen, for your commitment and dedication to duty, your selfless service to our country, and I ask that you remain steadfast and support the incoming administration just like you have supported my administration and that of my predecessors.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Mohura, Wagunya.